Department of Public Safety. This is a statewide child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Bandera County Sheriff's Office is searching for missing child Savannah Cardenas, 15 years old, white, female. The missing child was last seen at 6 a.m. on June 13, 2024 at 191 West Loop 1604 South, San Antonio, Texas, 78245. Police are looking for an unknown female, 45 to 50 years old, with blonde hair, in connection with the abduction of the child. The suspect is believed to be driving a silver Ford Fusion bearing unknown license plates. The suspect was last seen in San Antonio. Law enforcement officials believe the child to be in grave or immediate danger. Anyone with information regarding this child abduction should contact the Bandera County Sheriff's Office at 8307-963-771. News media point of contact is Bandera County Sheriff's Office at 8307-968-461.